Hello. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about bond types, bond lengths, and bond energies, or bond enthalpies. A bond, particularly when we're talking about a covalent bond, arises from the sharing of two electrons. And there are different types of bonds. We can have a single bond, a double bond, or a triple bond. So a single bond just has the two electrons. A double bond will, of course, have 4 electrons. And a triple bond will have 6 electrons. We can talk about the bond length of each of these, or really an average bond length. And the bond length is defined as the distance between the nuclei of 2 covalent bonded atoms in the molecule. And if we look at the table above, we can look at 3 types of carbon-carbon bonds and 3 types of nitrogen-nitrogen bonds. And we can see that as we go from a single bond to a double bond to a triple bond, that bond length decreases. The bonds get shorter as the bond order increases. For a carbon-carbon single bond, it's 154 picometers. Carbon-carbon double bond, it's 133 picometers. And a carbon-carbon triple bond, it's 120 picometers. And we see the same trend taking place or exhibited by nitrogen. We can also talk about the bond energy, or a fancier word for that is enthalpy, that we'll talk about a little bit about later in the semester. And this is the quantity of energy required to break a bond. And so as the bond type goes from single to double to triple, you see that the bond length went down, but the bond energy, the amount of energy required to break the bond, goes up. And that's true for both carbon-carbon bonds, nitrogen-nitrogen bonds, or any sort of multiple bond atom pairs like we see above. So as the bond order increases from single to double, triple, the bond length decreases and the bond enthalpy increases.